Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Pearllie Hart, and today I am back with another bumper club video. Hey, you guys, it's 2020. I think month. I'm so happy to see all of you guys in 2020. There's the first vlog in 2020, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my passion twist, because I got a lot of questions asking what kind of hair is this, what did you do, all of that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this. But the truth is, I actually used 2 packs of Darling Passion twists. But because I only had color one, I don't really like color one, so I decided to mix my colors myself, make my own twist, make sure they're curly like the Darling Passion twist. I'm going to give all the credits to Lovers Picks, because she's the originator of how to do this. So if you want to know how this turns out, how I did mine, then follow me. I think it's that way. Oh no, that's wrong direction though. Oh, okay, that way. All right, so I used Expression Ultra Braid in colorful. Yes, indeed, it's definitely colorful. So let's check the length and the weight. This hot water I used, which is very good. We're going to use hot water later. So it's 165 grams in weight and 82 inches long. That is long, but this is actually the small one, so I had to use 2 packs of this. Now you do not necessarily have to use 2 packs of this, because it's the small I had to use 2, but if you get the bigger one, then that's good for you. Love it used just 1 pack and she achieved a whole lot. Yeah, so now you know what they do in the salon after you bring out the pack and you have to start frizzling out. I don't know what it's called in English, how you have to start doing shum, you get it. That's what I'm about to do. So yeah, I'm going to fast forward it now, but I'm going to frizzle it out. That's just it, that stuff. Now this is an important part. You're going to get a straw. You need 2 packets of straws, and you need hard straws. You don't need soft ones. I learned the hard way. The first time I did this, I used soft straw and it didn't come out good. You have to get a hard straw, probably those ones they use to hold up balloons. You also need bobby pins, like 2 packets of bobby pins. Come on, they're inexpensive as compared to having to spend a lot of money on passion twists, you know, factory made passion twist, when you can do yours. So pay close attention to what I'm doing right now. Now all you have to do is make sure you pull and twist. As you are wrapping around, you're twisting as well. It has to be, you know, hard. You have to apply a bit of pressure so it doesn't, you don't just wrap like that, you have to twist as well. I'm going to show you. I'm sorry about the camera angle, it's just right now I'm still using my table stand, the table light and all that. So but this is how it should look like. Twist and wrap, twist and wrap. Now the bobby pin at the beginning is holding it down from unraveling, so all you have to do is wrap and twist, or twist and wrap, right? Now the essence of leaving the spaces or those holes in between those holes there, the essence is, you're going to see later, but when you reach the tail end of the straw, you have to go back. So when you go back, you're going to put the hair into all of those spaces you left on the straw. I know it probably doesn't make sense, it probably feels like I'm ranting or I'm saying gibberish, but you're going to understand it, you know, in the video. Just watch it. Okay, it doesn't matter if it starts behaving like it's about to bend, it's alright. The passion twist is not a straight braid, it's loose coils. It's just like the water coils, the bohemian coils and all that, so it doesn't have to be perfect. All you have to do is make sure you are firm with wrapping and twisting. Do you understand that? Now once you get to the tail end of the straw, you're going to go back, like look at what I'm doing right now. You're going to have to go back and put your braids into all of those holes you had left earlier. So if you're going to have long passion twists like me, you can say the braid is so long, I cut it into 2, like the original expression hair into 2, what they call cut in 2. So it's really long. But if you want it short, then you don't have to go through all of the steps. But I wanted mine long, so that's why it's really this long, and I have to go back into all of those holes and put them back. Do you understand? I feel like I'm in like some kind of lecture room or something, but yeah, that's what you're going to do. You're going to turn it around and you're going, and once it gets to the tail end of the attachment, all you have to do is just, you know, make sure it goes round. It doesn't have to follow any pattern anymore, as long as it won't unravel. Don't be worried. Just do that and you're good to go. Now what you also need, apart from straws and pins, is a pair of scissors. So the scissors is to trim out those frizzles, those little hairs coming out of the twist. So you just, you know, trim it out and make sure it looks good, and you know, decent, which is what I'm doing. And after you're done, you add it over to the other ones you've done as well. Yeah. Now guys, I've made 60 twists. I know you guys are like, wow, that's a whole lot, because Lovett actually did 60 twists and it was enough for a whole hair. And bear in mind, I already have 2 pockets of passion twist from Darling, so it was a whole lot. I just didn't want to take chances. I wanted to make sure everything was good. So the next step after putting it in a bowl is to get boiling water. Yes, you heard me right, boiling water. The water has to be boiling, like really hot. It doesn't have to, don't look for lukewarm water or warm water or fairly hot, whatever. Boiling water. You can see how boiling it is from the camera. It's fogging up my camera. So make sure all of the twists get the water. Pour it freely, don't be scared. I was actually really scared because I felt like I'm holding camera at one hand and what if water splashes on me and all of that. Now after you leave it for like 1 minute or 2 minutes, you're going to have to bring it out, you know, and place it on the towel, as you can see me do. I'm sorry, my camera got foggy, the water was so goddamn hot, but back here comes the big clean. Shika 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 shika, and we're done. Yeah, looks better. So yeah, look at it. So once you're done, you put in the towel and just kind of like pat it to dry. And that's not all. You have to actually leave it to air dry for 24 hours, at least 24 hours, because I left mine for about 48 hours, 2 days or more than that, because I forgot about it. But you have to make sure your twists get, you know, really really dry before you unravel it, because the first time I did this, I made a lot of mistakes, but I'm happy I did because I learned from them. The first time I did it, I brought it out and I started unraveling it about a few seconds. I was so excited to see how it turned out, and I started unraveling it and it was bad. It was horrible. It wasn't bouncy, it wasn't anything. So make sure you allow your twist to air dry. Do not use any blow dryer, whatever. Allow it to air dry for at least 24 hours, 1 day. I mean, you're not gonna die, you know, just you think about something else. Whoa, look at those twists. Look at how cute. Oh my god, Pearllie, you don't do this. They're mad. I had to leave the camera on like for a few seconds to just admire how beautiful this is. Look at how beautiful this is. Yeah. So that's it. Let it air dry and you're good to go. Now guys, I'm currently in my hairstylist place and I'm unraveling it, and you can see how bouncy it is. I was pretty excited. This is my excited face. I was trying to contain my excitement. At this point I called my hairdresser to like, yeah, look at me, I did this shit myself. And she's like, yeah, that's good, that's good. So if you want to unravel it, make sure you put your hand in the whole way, start from, just pull it right down. Yeah, that's it. And it's okay if it's tangled a little bit, use scissors or use your hand, but yeah, make sure. Look at how beautiful it is unraveled. This tell me this doesn't look like a regular passion twist. Tell me this doesn't look like a regular passion twist. Would you know the difference, bruv? Would you know the difference? Yeah, so it's better to do it yourself than to spend almost 10,000 naira just on this, on the passion twist alone, minus, you know, the hair, whatever, making the hair. Now I had to use the rubber band method, you know, put my hair into squares or triangles and start crocheting because I wanted that to last better. So that's why I did it, and it did, because I did 2 twists and it looked really amazing. So that's it. And guys, to maintain it, you need oil, and this oil comprises of almond oil, olive oil and tea tree oil, just to moisturize the roots. You also need, you know, for your edges, there's glue, yeah, for your edges. I'm going to leave all of these things down below. So this is me moisturizing my roots. So you know, this Harmattan, you have to make sure that, especially since you use the rubber band method, make sure that it's well moisturized. Then I use this other one for my curls and it smells really amazing. I also use this to moisturize my curls to maintain the hair so it doesn't look frizzy and old. And up to now, I think this is about 2 or 3 days or 4 days after, and it still looks perfect. So guys, that is how you rock it. Do it like a queen. I'm super proud of myself, guys. Now this is, y'all, take a look at this hair. Would you know that I did this myself? You too can also do this. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Share my video, guys. Let's get me to 1k subscribers. It's all amount. We're currently at 197, 198 subscribers. We can do this. Let's go. Thank you so much, Lover Speaks, for this inspiration. I did it. I done did it. I am super excited. You too can as well do it. I love the length. I love the colors, the highlights, everything. So you can get to choose your colors yourself. Do whatever you want to do with your passion twist, as long as you're the one twisting it yourself. I think the twisting took about, let's say, 2 days, and that's because I wasn't really focused on it. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for coming to my TED Talk. Thank you so much for loving me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.